For most of us, the ocean is a mystery, vast, blue, and endless. But hidden beneath the surface in the warm shallows of the tropics lives a creature that defies logic and challenges everything we thought we knew about life underwater. It is not a fish, not a shrimp, not a monster, but perhaps a little bit of all three. This is the mantis shrimp, nature's most extraordinary assassin. Despite its name, the mantis shrimp isn't actually a shrimp. It belongs to a group called Stomatopoda, an ancient lineage of marine crustaceans that has been around for over 400 million years. Long before dinosaurs, before birds, even before trees blanketed the earth, the ancestors of the mantis shrimp stalked the seafloor, armed with the same devastating tools they carry today. There are more than 400 known species of mantis shrimp, ranging from just a few centimeters in length to nearly a foot. Some are shy and reclusive, others are territorial and aggressive. All are armed and dangerous. Mantis shrimp are divided into two major groups, spearers and smashers. Spearers have spiny, barbed appendages they use like harpoons. Hidden in the sand, they lie in wait for unsuspecting fish to drift too close, then strike with astonishing speed, piercing flesh in a fraction of a second. But it's the smashers that have earned the mantis shrimp its reputation. Smasher mantis shrimp possess club-like limbs that strike with the acceleration of a bullet. These hammer blows can crack open mollusk shells, dismember crabs, and even break through aquarium glass. The force they generate is so great that it briefly boils the water around it, creating cavitation bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they produce shock waves, heat, and light, effectively doubling the impact of each punch. It's not just brute strength, it's physics weaponized by evolution. But the most astonishing part of the mantis shrimp may not be its fists, but its eyes. Each eye operates independently, capable of moving in all directions. They have trinocular vision in each eye, allowing them to judge depth and distance with incredible precision. Humans have 3 types of photoreceptor cells in our eyes. Mantis shrimp can have up to 16. They can see ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light, colors and patterns we can't even comprehend. To a mantis shrimp, the world is more vivid, more detailed, more alien than anything we could imagine. Their vision is so advanced that scientists still don't fully understand how their brains process all that information. And this isn't just for show. That visual precision allows them to track prey, detect rivals, and navigate the chaotic, colorful world of the coral reef with unmatched skill. But life for a mantis shrimp isn't all about fighting and hunting. Many species live solitary lives in carefully constructed burrows, homes they dig and defend with relentless vigor. A burrow is both fortress and trap, safe from predators, but also a launch pad for surprise attacks. Some species, remarkably, mate for life. A mated pair may share a burrow, cooperatively hunting and caring for their young. In a world of short-lived relationships and fleeting encounters, the mantis shrimp offers a surprising glimpse of loyalty beneath the waves. Their communication is complex. They use body language, posture, and even low-frequency sounds to send messages. Some species have fluorescent markings that become visible under ultraviolet light, a kind of secret code, only visible to others of their kind. And perhaps that's the most fascinating part of the mantis shrimp. For all we've discovered, there's still so much we don't know. They are survivors, having weathered multiple mass extinctions. They are masters of adaptation, occupying niches from coral reefs to silty seafloors. They are marvels of evolution, combining speed, strength, and sight in a package barely the size of your hand. But despite their power, mantis shrimp face mounting threats. Coastal development, pollution, coral reef bleaching, and ocean acidification are changing their world rapidly. Like many marine creatures, their future is uncertain. And while they may be small, their loss would be enormous. Because to lose the mantis shrimp would be to lose not just a species, but a masterpiece of biology. We've seen it strike. We've marveled at its vision. But the mantis shrimp holds secrets that go far deeper than brute force or color. Beneath its armored exterior lies a surprisingly complex brain. For a solitary hunter, it shows signs of learning, even memory. Some species can recognize individuals by scent, behavior, or subtle cues. In the wild, that might mean identifying friend from foe. In the lab, it means mantis shrimp are capable of more than pure instinct. Their communication is nothing short of cryptic genius. While we see a blur of color, mantis shrimp see codes, ultraviolet patterns invisible to the human eye. These markings can only be read by others of their kind, thanks to their hyperspectral vision. In a reef filled with prying eyes, the mantis shrimp speaks in a language no predator can eavesdrop on. And scientists are listening. Their eyes have inspired more than curiosity. Engineers are now building cameras modeled on mantis shrimp vision. Cameras that can detect polarized light to spot cancer cells, see through murky water, or scan surfaces for hidden damage. The ocean's secret assassin may one day help humans detect threats not with weapons, but with light. But its weapons are just as fascinating. The club of a smasher mantis shrimp is more than a battering ram. It's an engineering masterpiece. Made of a spiral, impact-resistant biocomposite, it doesn't just resist breaking. It redirects force, flexes on impact, and survives thousands of strikes. This natural design is now being studied for bulletproof armor and aircraft materials. Biology, again, leads technology. Even in its aggression, there's care. Some species of mantis shrimp show signs of biparental care, with both male and female taking turns to hold and clean their eggs. Others build burrows with precision, multi-chambered tunnels with angled escape routes and reinforced walls. These aren't just homes, they're fortresses. And when kept in aquariums, some mantis shrimp have lived for over 20 years, a surprising lifespan for an invertebrate. But that long life requires space and caution. Their nickname, thumb splitter, is well-earned. And though they're found across the world's oceans, the greatest diversity of mantis shrimp lies in one region, the Coral Triangle. Here in the heart of the Indo-Pacific, dozens of species coexist, each a variation on the same terrifying and beautiful theme. What we know about the mantis shrimp is only a fraction of its story. What we don't know that could rewrite what we thought possible in nature. The mantis shrimp is proof that evolution doesn't always roar. Sometimes it snaps, a living weapon, a marvel of sight, a mystery still unfolding beneath the waves. If you enjoyed diving into the hidden world of this incredible creature, let us know. Leave a like, drop a comment with your favorite fact, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the wild side of our planet. Because here on Life on Earth, the strange is just the beginning.